Hello, Collective. Wendy Joy, love and light. I wanted to add a little bit of warmth and, love into your day to day. It's kind of cold and it's a little bit damp and dreary while Mother Earth is energizing her field and cleansing her aura by sharing the joy and the high vibration within the elements. And today, it's rain. At least where I am anyway, in the Northeast. But no worries. It's always a welcomed event. And when I was thanking my spirit team, like I do every single day, because it's a blessing and it's a joy and it's a benefit when you think about it, to wake up every day. It gives you yet another opportunity to put positivity your way, right? To choose love and light and, to embrace all that is within your destined path by traveling your journey of awareness and ascension, right? And part of my journey of awareness was provided to me through confirmation from my spirit team. And when I went into the bathroom this morning, the lights were flickering on and off. And maybe it was my vibration being so high. Maybe it was my spirit team saying hi. Or maybe it was the light bulb and it's getting old. I suppose all three are very possible. But I tend to believe that my vibration screws with my light fixtures and my spirit team adds with the dancing energies by stepping in closer to my energy field, my reality, and sharing love and light and frequency. And that also could make the light bounce, right? Or flicker. And then, after I smiled and, greeted my family, I received a video and it just started playing on my phone. I mean, granted, YouTube was open and I had watched something and it had finished. And usually when it finishes, it closes down the screen and it goes black, like almost in a slumber type mode, right? But today that didn't happen. Today, another video popped into my feed and just started playing. And this video had everything to do with vibration and sound and frequency and how it's been distorted and mishandled, misunderstood. And sometimes the writings or the resonization of the literature, the knowledge, the information, the wisdom was buried and hidden because at the time, the video said 1000 BC, right? Before Christ. And that time frame is even questioned because that would have to change all the records that whoever decided they were going to replace the teachings and the knowledge of sound and frequency and vibration with stillness and quiet and obedience and limited perceptions. And now we're seeing, again, another flow of energy coming our way, right? Illuminating, enlightening, and resonating within our domain, like our energy field, when we come across this information, because it's not something that we could see or that we could hear, but it's something that vibrates within us, alerting different parts of us that may be still asleep. Confirmation. I don't know if you heard that bell. Or could be residing in a place that we're still trying to bury and hide, only because we've been directed, schooled, taught, encouraged by other organizations, people that perceive themselves of higher stature, that are afraid if the true knowledge and the true information come out, that people would take a stand and realize that they have the ability not only to form, to create, to control, to pivot and change their mental mind state, allowing a vast world of benefit to flow their way. And it could all start with sounds, frequencies, vibrations, chants, song, right? And melody, and different tones, different pitches carry different vibrations and different frequencies. And when we are mindfully, intentionally, willingly allowing the vibration or the sensation of the knowledge that we're learning, gaining, receiving, to dance within our energy field, we're opening up doors that we didn't even know were there, right? And it's not anyone particular's fault, so never cast a stone of doubt or blame anywhere. What you can do is control where you are and how you proceed with the information that is tingling inside of you. So if a video, if a thought, if a sensation, if a situation makes you feel energetically high, upbeat, enlightened, knowledge-filled, wisdom-wise, then those are the feelings of the energy field interacting with yours. Go with it. Take it as far as you can. Believe and know and understand that words have power and meaning, and sounds, vibrations, frequencies, pitches, and tones, they all matter. So be mindful of your speech, of your patterns. Be mindful of the tones in which you emanate. And by all means, if you have the ability, research the different frequencies and see which frequency resonates the best with your soul and the direction, the pattern, the movements in which your feet are taking you, by the movements that you unconsciously make. Now imagine how far you can go with a willful think pattern, right? A mindful, intentional way of viewing, perceiving, resonating. The tingling possibilities are completely endless, and our reach is unmatchable, because in a power of strength and courage, where we flow with the information and in the direction in which our energy field is vibrating, with the added knowledge and wisdom of the sounds and the pitches, the chants, the songs that we embrace, that we can carry out and put into the ethers by using our voice. A larynx isn't just a larynx. A voice box isn't just a voice box. Our ligaments and tendons and all the muscles that reside within our temple were all divinely made to interact with the sounds, the vibrations, and the sensations, opening up even wider our third eye and allowing us more of an ability to pivot and perceive while we believe we will achieve. And just imagine how far your energetic pull is. Are you pulling in the divine, or is the divine pulling you? Or is everybody's energy fields waking up, letting the inner self, the inner workings of you, realize that there's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered, to be remembered, to be brought back into today's reality so that we could benefit from the teachings of ancient wisdom and knowledge by using sound and frequency, vibration, tones, and pitches, and that we could mold and help uncover the future and all the benefits that are waiting for us to discover. It's a wonderful place to be. I cannot wait to hear where your travels and what discoveries you uncover on your path through your timelines as you evolve and into your higher consciousness, and you allow the benefits, the healing, and the love to flow through in vibrations, sounds, frequencies. Oh, I'm traveling to other places as I'm speaking to you. And all I see is beautiful smiles and happy, loving eyes that show depth and structure and strength. And I'm looking right at you. I see you standing in your best glory. I see you, a beacon of light, vibrating, telling your story, leaving your mark. Will you be doing that through sound, through vibration? You know, when you speak, that is sound and that is vibration. So don't be afraid. Take the positive thoughts that you have within you, whatever they may be, and speak them aloud. Set them free. Give them life. Let them live. I can't wait to hear what stories that come your way. My lovely collective, wherever you are today, may the power, the knowing, the wisdom, the clarity, and the resonation, the realization of sound affect you positively, awaking pieces of you that are waiting to be awoken. Start by using your voice. I am affirmations are our best way, our best place. Bleh. I am affirmations are a great place to make the best headway on your sound vibration journey. I know I'm silly. It is what it is. But what I do know is that the message is divinely sent. It could be filled with giggles and laughter. That's vibration and sound too. Imagine what you might be able to uncover. I can't wait. You have a great day, no matter what comes your way, even if it's just silliness, laughter, and fun. That'll open up doors too. I love you. Blessed be.